Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're talking about the young and talented actor Barıs Baktas, who has quickly captured the hearts of fans both in Turkey and abroad. His striking looks and expressive acting talent have attracted attention, and his role as Baran in the hit Turkish series Bloodflowers brought him incredible popularity. Barıs Baktas was born on the 12th of February, 1997, in the city of Batman, Turkey. Despite his fame, his parents have no connection to the film industry. His father is an entrepreneur, and his mother dedicated her life to caring for the home and family. The family had 5 children, and Barıs is the oldest of 3 sons. As a child, he was active and mischievous, often giving his parents a hard time with his pranks. However, Barış's life took a significant turn when he was just 10 years old. He witnessed a tragic event that left a lasting impact on his personality. His uncle, whom he admired and considered a role model, died right before his eyes at the age of 29. In interviews, Barıs has admitted that this event forced him to grow up quickly and caused him deep emotional trauma. In memory of his uncle, who was an avid motorcyclist, Barıs decided to buy a motorcycle and ride it at least once, just like his uncle had dreamed of. From a young age, Barıs helped his father with the family business, and after finishing school, at his parents' insistence, he enrolled in Istanbul's commercial university, majoring in accounting and auditing. His parents wanted him to become a financial consultant, and perhaps he would have been an excellent specialist. He was among the top 3 graduates in his course. However, Barış's heart was always more drawn to creativity, and soon he decided to pursue a career in acting, which has undoubtedly turned out to be the right choice. Today, Barıs Baktas continues to delight his fans with his talent and charisma in new projects. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on your favorite actors. See you soon.